Hello everyone, this is Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to clean silver jewelry at home. I have 3 simple steps for you guys to follow, and it achieves beautiful result. It doesn't need to bring back the items back to the boutique to get cleaned, to save time and to save money. So I have 4 items here. It's a bangle, a ring, pair of earrings and a long adjustable necklace. And you can see the bangle that is quite gone really black, being oxygenated, and so I haven't worn this for quite a few months. I wear this quite a lot every day in the summer, but I don't really tend to wear bangles in the winter. And this is a pair of silver balls, this stars, and I haven't worn it for a while. And this is a silver ring with a little diamond there. And this is a long line necklace. It's adjustable, and at this long end can be pulled and adjusted. And that ball is silver, the chain is silver, and the baroque pearl at the end, and it's quite pretty. I wear this in the summer, and so I'm going to show you how to clean these, and especially if you have silver jewelry that is pearl or precious stone attached to it. So make sure that you know what to do to not ruin them. So without further ado, let's begin. Let me show you how to do this cleaning step by step. The items you will need are a bowl and a little Le Creuset dish, and this is the silver dip. Got ours. You can see I've used quite a lot. There's not much left, but it's enough for today. And some thread and a pair of scissors and the washing up liquid. So that's all the items you will need to do the cleaning. So next I'm going to show you step by step. Step number 1 is to use the thread to strap up and secure the items. So I always do this just in case, because sometimes I don't wear any protective gloves. So just do this is quite quick and easy. And I usually just have some thread, just loop it up and just get a certain length, and then just tie a knot at the top so you can hold the thread and to do the next step later. So that's item number 1. And then for the necklace, I'm not to do it because I'm going to use the pearl to hold the pearl to dip this, and because you can't really dip the pearl into the solution, so that's a big no. So please make sure that you do not dip any pearl or semi or precious stones into the dip. So just a precaution, otherwise you might ruin it. And then, so this is the bangle. I'm going to strap up the bangle. This just make it easier to manage. And then that's item number 2. And for the earrings, I'm going to leave this to the last because it's quite fiddly to do the earrings. I have to do 2. You can see that it just like threading a needle. You can just put a thread through the little stopper, one of the holes in the stopper, and we can strap both on the same string. And then cut the thread. You can see both are dangling now, being held by the thread, and then tie up again. So we created a loop for us to hold. And then if I really wanted to have strap this on with thread, this is what I would do. Just cut a long piece of thread long enough. And then where is this end, not the 2 loose ends, and just basically have the necklace, have the chain over the thread, and then loop the thread over and then tie it. So now you can just hold that, but still make sure they never dip these into the solution. Still need to hold it. But if you want to do it like this, and then please do this if you can, to strap it up. So now you can either hold that, but I still don't think this is very secure. So therefore, I think I'm still just going to hold that onto it. And so all the items now being strapped up. There's the ring, there are the earrings. So the preparation is ready, and the preparation is ready. So next we are going to start step number 2. Move this out of the way. Get some kitchen towel, just in case if you spill anything. And then now use this little dish, and then going to pour the dip into the bowl. Usually for the smaller items, what I normally do is that I just dip them into the jar directly, but because the bangle is a bit too big, so can't push that through, so that's why I'm using this bowl to hold it. So I'm going to use a chopstick to have all the thread onto the chopstick. So you can see 1, 2, 3, and so you're not going to lose it, just in case, because sometimes your hand slips and then you lose it. So, but for this necklace with the pearl at the end, I'm still going to strap it up. So I'm going to be very cautious with the end. So therefore, I'm going to be not dipping the pearl into it. So next, I'm going to, so you can see everything is in there now. You can see everything is in the bowl. So I'm going to pour the solution. You can see it's quite gunky now. It got crystallized at the edge. So I'm just going to pour the solution. Let all the jewelry submerge in there. So you can see they turn white straight away very quickly. You can see the earrings. They just get so quickly. On the back of the jar, it says, you can see there is the how to use. Immense silver dip until the tarnish disappears, but no longer than 5 minutes, and then rinse. So now we just leave it, and then I'm going to dip this bit, the end bit, you can see, to the solution. Hi Smoky. And then you can see that just disappeared quite quickly. And also the ring is completely white, so I think the ring is ready to get out. Same as the, well, maybe the earrings can stay in for a little bit longer. So the ring is ready, and then the necklace is ready. So I'm going to just take it out. Be careful with the pearl. And then now, so just the bangle. I'm going to turn the bangle. You can see the other side is all lovely. Oh, don't lose it. All lovely and white. And then the earrings, I'm just going to let it swim in it a bit. Wiggle it around so get a even. So I think that should be ready as well, and then that can take out. Let's look the bangle the other side. Good result. You can see it's all lovely and white now. Maybe just a little bit down the end, but I think that can be achieved by polishing by the next step. So now I'm going to transfer all the jewelry into that bowl. Get the solution out of the way, and then next we're going to put some dishwasher liquid. So step number 3, squeeze some of this washing up liquid, or you can use fairy, you can use anything you like. Just 1 dollop into the bowl. You can do this over the sink, but just be careful. You have to shut the plug hole, make sure that you're not losing your jewelry. And next I'm going to have some warm water. Use warm water is better. If there's any residue, it needs to be loosened up, so warm water would help with the dishwasher liquid. And then, so just let them to soak in there for a little bit, because this will get rid of the whatever the silver dip residue left on the jewelry. So you can just get a hand, you can cut the thread now away, cut the thread and get rid of it. And then now, so you can just give a good rinse. I normally rinse them twice, so this is the first rough rinse. And then the earrings, you can get rid of the thread, and especially to rinse that pin as well, because you don't really want to have any silver dip chemical stuff left on the pin, and then because that might irritate your ears when you put them back on or when you wear them. So that just give a good rinse in there. And then now I can cut the thread away for the bangle. Just rinse it through. You can see that corner was a bit black. Now I just used my nail, quickly scraped it, and then that bit of black is gone. I'm not sure what that bit is. Maybe that's a hole mark. It can't be a hole mark. Maybe just a stubborn. Oh yeah, it's disappeared because I wear this quite a lot, so it got tarnished quite a bit, and plus body lotion, perfume, sweat, everything. So now I can just rinse it. You can see it's lovely and shiny. And then put that on the paper towel, let them to dry, to drain the water off them. So now just rinse the necklace through. You can see the necklace is lovely and shining, and the ball is now nice and white. So make sure that dry the pearl immediately. Make sure that don't tarnish the pearl. So now I'm going to get rid of this water, and then we can rinse the items again. So we have some fresh water now, and then we just get everything back in there. I'm going to do the necklace separately and last, so I'm going to let this, actually, I can bring that in. Just get this bit. Oh, that bit still got a little bit black. The problem, I get it quickly dipping it. Yep, that's quick. And then now I'm just going to drop everything in here. Let them soak a little bit. Just give them another bath, and then that's it. Just let them dry. See, the diamonds are quite shiny, little diamond. And then here's the earrings. Hi, Smokey. Sorry, that's my cat. One of my cats. So just rinse this all the way till the pearl. Just give it good. But the thing is, I find silver is that the more you wear it, the more shining it gets. And I remember when I started to wear my little rabbit charm, because I haven't really worn it for years, because it's zodiac year, sort of a guardian angel charm. So it's every, I don't know, once in a few years I need it, so to protect me. So I just haven't worn it for years, and obviously it's gone a bit black. So I got it out and then silver rinsed it, and then it just, the more I wear it now, it's so shiny. I never really, when I continuously wearing them, they don't really need to be cleaned at all. Only when I pause and then leave them, and then they get really blackened. So now I'll get this water out of the way. So now we just have the pieces here, dab them dry with the paper towel. What I normally do, just layering another one, just go over it, just press it onto it. So that would be the wet washes, and then the final step is I'm going to, everything now is dry, so I'm just going to use a very soft tissue just to polish it, and then see, lovely and shining. So I'm going to wear it, and the bangle is beautiful now, so I can wear it nice and shining. And the earrings, see how shining it is. Next one, see the both of them now just look like brand new, really nice. And then finally the necklace, so I'm just going to pull it through, and the ball, just give a quick polish. You can see it's quite shining as well. One side, just loop it through the other side. Usually if there's still any dirt on it, you will see on the tissue, but you can see there's nothing left on the tissue. That means it's nice and clean, which you can see from the screen that you can see how shining it is now. And then this is the ring, and then that's the bangle. So it's very nice now. For regular day-to-day care, I normally just polish them. You can see I have little silver polish cloth. You can see this has been used. If you see there's anything got a little bit of matte, not shining anymore, just use the little silver cloth to polish it. You can see with the polishing, it brings the shine back. It's already shining. It doesn't really matter that much, but always good to give a good polish. You can see how shiny they are, like a little balls, like just so shiny. And then for the ring, it's the same. Just give a quick polish. If there's any residues, dirty residues left, or dirt left on the silver, this cloth would get rid of it. You can see that now it's superbly shining. Same for the bangle. just give it a polish there. And loads of hair scratches on this bangle, but I don't really care. It's quite a few years old now, quite a number of years old. This is probably from 2017 or 2016, nearly 10 years. Oh, actually 2017. Yeah, I think it's 2017. So 8 years. Yeah, just give it a polish. You can see, super shiny. Then her necklace, that's it. So I'm sure you all have this sort of polishing cloth, but I'm sure you can just get one from a jeweler, or you can get from Amazon. This is just when I bought a jewellery, it came with it. I can't remember where this was from. Could be from Tiffany's, I don't know, I can't remember. And then yeah, have something, keep in your jewellery drawer, and it will just get the items cleaned really well. So you can see now that the items are superbly clean. Yeah, so beautifully clean now. This is the ring, that's the bangle, those are the earrings, and this is the necklace. You can see how beautifully shining it is, almost like new. So therefore, it didn't take that long at all. So that's it for today, and let's recap. So make sure that you do not dip. The most important thing to dip like a pearl or semi-precious stones into the solution, and then never dip the jewelry into the solution for more than 5 minutes if you use this Goddard's silver dip, if you use the same brand. And then make sure that you rinse them off well, and then clean them, dry them properly, and polish them, so to bring the shine back. And if you could follow these simple 4 steps, and you will achieve the same result. But just remember those 2 things, that show that you do not damage your stones and pearls. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please give my video a like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to do more of this useful how to do cleaning your jewelry, or to soften your sandals, and how to shorten the sleeves. So all these sort of like very helpful videos in the future. So until my next video, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.